let's start the session. So in this session we will see about Android Studio basics, its different files, then SDK, Gradle and Manifest. Okay, I hope you have already installed Android Studio in your system. If you have not done it, then go to this website developer.androidstudio.com, android.com. then you can download from here and you can install. It will be similar to other softwares, but just make sure you have good internet connection. Okay, so after installation just click on next, yes, so it will be installed. Okay, not an issue. For me, I have already installed, and see, when you first time open your app, then you will be able to see this. Okay, so if you are not able to see, then you can go here, see file, new, then new project. Okay, new project, you can click here. So see, here we have some templates. Okay, we have different templates for our app. That means you will get some default code for your app. Let's say you are developing some app, you need some button at the corner, see, like this one. In WhatsApp we have this button, correct, this plus button I am telling. So this code you will already get, but in generally this code is not actually in our use, because we need to modify this code anyway. That's why we generally choose basic empty views activity only, where generally no code is there. Okay, and you make sure you have selected this phone and tablet. See, if you make your app for phone, then it will work on tablet also. Okay, so we'll start with this empty views activity, then click on this next. Now you have to give the application name here. This is the application name which will be shown in your Play Store. So for now, let's say we have given Android basics. Then next thing comes is package name. So what is package name? Package name is actually one ID for your app. Okay, whenever you download some app, let's say I have searched for GPay app. Okay, so see, if you go to your GPay app, then you will be able to see this URL, correct. So see, this first thing, details playstore.com, this is default URL, but after that, see, one ID is there, correct, and id.com this one. So this is the actually package name for GPay app. Similarly, for our app, this will be our package name. Okay, you can give any other package name also. It will depends on this your name. Actually, see, your name is here at last, but you can give different thing also. Here, let's say Android basics you have given, but your package name is, let's say, something different, XYZ or something. Okay, you can give any package name, but it should not be in Play Store. If this package name is there in Play Store, then you will not able to upload your app. So what we do, we add our company name here, see, com.glimsia global, then this your package name. Then what will happen, your package name will not match with other package name because your company name is there, correct. But you can remove it also. You just you can give like this one also. See, if you delete it, then just give this will also work, not an issue. Okay, but this is the unique identifier. Actually, this package name is unique identifier. Then next thing, save location. So you can choose any location where your project will be saved. Then language, this is Kotlin or Java. So we'll start with Kotlin only, because nowadays Kotlin is the official language, and if you know Kotlin, then you can later learn Java also, but nowadays only Kotlins are getting used in most of the companies. And for old projects which company already have, some companies already running from long time, correct. So for them, Java will be the code, and they are developing also new features in Kotlin. So but if you know Kotlin, then you can start with Java also, not an issue. And then Minimum SDK, this is Minimum SDK. So what is this? For this one, let's say we have selected API 22. Okay, what is this? See, whenever you buy some mobile, there will be some operating system, correct, in your mobile, Android operating system. So let's say your operating system is 28. Okay, 28. But this is your operating system. I am telling you have one mobile which has API 28. This is not operating system directly, sorry, API. Okay, API system in your OS, in your operating system, one API will be there. That API is, let's say, 28, but we have developed our app for API, let's say 31. Okay, your mobile has API 28, but our app is 31. Then you will not able to install this app. That means this is the minimum SDK, below which you cannot install your app. Let's say, see, we have given API 23, correct? We have given API 23, correct? But let's say your mobile has API 18 only, then you will not able to download your app, this app. Okay, so we try to keep it as low as possible. Let's say we have given 16 API, correct? We have given for our app, we have given 16, but anyway you are buying a new phone, so your API will be new, let's say 20, 35, 34, 33, 36. So you will be able to download our app properly. Okay, so we must keep this as minimum as possible. See here, your app will run on approximately 100% of devices. That means whatever the devices Android already now have, I mean the user is running in whole world, so your app will be installed in 100%. But if you increase it, let's say 22, see, it is decreased. That means all the people will not able to install your app, because you are increasing, correct? So you are increasing. Some mobiles are old mobile actually, API less than 22, so that less than 22 mobile will not be able to install your app. But we can increase it by ourselves. Let's say we can give 36, but what will happen if we give 36 or if we give 16? Then what will happen? Features will be different. See, if you choose 16, then some features will be missing in your code. You will not able to implement all the code. Okay, some features will be not there. So we try to keep it high. But if you keep high, then all mobile cannot install, correct? So your user base will be less. So what we can give? We can give some middle, like 23, 24, like that. Because if we choose too much low, then there will be no features in our app. We cannot give features. But if we use too high, then people will the number of user will decrease, correct? So we'll use 23, 24 generally. See, 99.6% of devices will can run our app. That means it is good. Okay, not an issue. The next thing is build configuration language, Kotlin, DSL and Groovy. So earlier we were using Groovy, but nowadays it is Kotlin. It is recommended. So one file will be generated. I will show you what is that file actually. So after that you can just click on this finish button, then your project will start building. Now see, our project started to build. Okay, it is building our project. It is making our project first. So after the setup is done, we can do our coding part. So it will take some time based on your laptop configurations. If you have more RAM, then it will work fast, or if you have SSD in your laptop, then it is very good. Okay, and if you are using Mac, then it will be good actually. But for old laptop it will be slow. Okay, and first time it takes actually some time. Okay, first time when you create your app, then it will take time. But after, let's say we are developing one app daily, we are doing coding, so next time it will not take too much time. Okay, see, it is done. The build is done. Okay, so after the build is finished, here we'll get some default code anyway. Okay, if you choose any default, I mean any template, if you choose, like we have chosen empty views activity, correct? Here also we will get some basic code which from which we can run our app directly. But here nothing will be there, only one view will be there, one like text will be there, like this one, hello world will be shown when we run this app. Okay, so let's try to run this app. Okay, I have connected my device for screen mirroring, so I will show you how you can run your app. So first go to your setting option. Okay, this setting option. Okay, you can have the setting option in your mobile differently, but for my mobile I am just showing. The process will be same. See, here first you have to go to your about phone section. Okay, about phone, then here you will see some OS version. Okay, in OS version just click 7 times continuously. Okay, 1 2 3 4 7, like that type 7 times, so it will open one developer option for you. Then just go here, scroll down, and in your additional settings, see additional setting option will be there. This is for Redmi mobile. For your mobile it will be little bit different, but the process will be almost same for all the Android mobile actually. You can search for your mobile if you are not getting your developer option. What we have to do, we need to enable the developer option. Okay, so we have already enabled the developer option by clicking 7 times. Then here we need to go and see developer option. This option will be able to see in your additional setting. If you are not able to see, then you have to open the developer option by clicking 7 times here. Okay, but for now I am just assuming, so I have this developer option already here. So just go there, and first time this will be okay, this will be open, not an issue. So just scroll down and then see here USB debugging. This option will be closed, okay, for the first time. So you have to open it. Like I will be not able to show you because I am mirroring the device using this developer option actually, but here you have to enable like this one. Okay, you have to switch on this, so you have to accept some terms. I mean, just it will show some warning, so just you have to accept it. Then this one also you can turn on. Okay, so after that your device will be connected to Android Studio, so you will be able to see your mobile device here. See, this showing your mobile device is showing here, correct? So I think if you are not able to connect, then check 1-2 videos in internet, or you can check for your mobile. You can type your mobile number in internet, then just type how to enable USB debugging in your mobile, then you will be able to see. Okay, now if we click on this icon, see run app icon is there, correct? So click on that run app icon. So it will take some time, then your app will be installed in your device. For it will take some time for the first time. So see here what will happen. Here one option will come. Okay, here you have to accept the things. So let me show you. See, it is launching, correct? See, you have to click on this button, remember my choice, then install. Okay, click on this install. Now it will be installed here. See, our app is running. So we have made our first step. This is hello world. Okay, so we have installed our app in our mobile device. Now see, your app will be shown here in your mobile. I think our name is Android Basics, correct? So see Android, sorry, it is showing see Android Basics. So if you run it, you can run the app if you click there. Okay, so this is the one way, which is the best way, because there are another way also to run your app when you are developing, that is your emulator. But in some laptop it works too much slowly, that's why I have shown you the real device way. But here now I will again show you this way also, how you can run your mobile using virtual device. So for that, go to this device manager here. Okay, or if you are not able to see, then click on here, then device manager, see, then click on this button, create a virtual device. See, so you have to create a virtual device. That means if you are not installing your mobile in your app in your real mobile, then you can use some emulator here. Okay, so to create emulator, we have to go like this. Let's say we have taken this Android 9 Pixel 9a, then click on next. See, system is loading, so it will load your mobile. Okay, it will download your mobile from Play Store. Let's say we download. So if you click there, then it will start download. I have clicked here. Okay, so it is starting the download. It will take some time. See, it is 1.8 GB. Okay, so let it finish first. Okay, see, this download is complete. Now click on this finish, then click on this finish. Okay, see, this virtual device is created. Now you can run this device here by clicking on this option. Okay, so if you click on that device, see, it is showing launching emulator, and here in the running device option, if you click, then you will be able to see your emulator after some time. Okay, it depends on your laptop speed actually. So instead of emulator, that's why I have told you to use your real device only. That will be good actually. see it is showing voting. Okay, if it does not work, then you can see it is starting. Okay, it will take some time, then after that your app will directly run here. Okay, like that your app will run in emulator. Okay, so here you can see this is the back button, this is for the mobile. Okay, and this is the home button, this is this overview button. So we can close this app by clicking this back button. See, so here you can see your other mobile phone app also. Okay, it is like a exact mobile phone, so you can use it also. Here you can run this YouTube also and other mobile phone apps also. Okay,